Suck my fucking dick. Fuck you, Iron Fist! Yeah, Chad, like I'm fighting 10 people! Go, bitch! Yeah, bitch!
Behind you, nigga.
Please get forward so low!
I don't think anyone else is doing damage, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I don't know who the fuck would be doing damage, because I feel like I'm just having to fucking chip away at people doing 15 damage at a time like a fucking crazy person. Ah, I'm fighting this shit!
Get, bro.
Wait, Chad, tell me what it is! Yeah! Bitch! Handshake! Ah, fuck! Chad, what the fuck do I do? I don't know what the fuck to do! Chad! Oh my fucking god! Guys, what the fuck do I do? Fuck is that? Fuck is that?
Bruh, it's the Iron Fist, my nigga. There's
The Iron Dick!
I'm not gonna lie. Nigga, it's an Iron Fist. It's an Iron Fist, bro.
He's wanting me out! Oh! Smash! Ah! 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 Go, 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 go! Yeah, bitch! Hulk smash! Cause I'm fucking nasty! Come here, bitch! Come here, bitch! Come here, bitch! Come on!
Way, yo.
Hulk! I'm going fucking crazy! Go crazy!
Nah, hold on.
Oh! Oh, I'm getting fucking kills with regular man!
What's up, France? What's up, Italy?
Nah, fuck you.
And I get the Venom, get your ass back here!
Look at that.
Get your ass back here! Bring me that ass! Hulk!
Now.
Smash, bitch!
Go back to the point. Go back to the point.
No, I'm fucking up Punisher, bitch! Let's go!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, bro, I am fucking S-rank Hulk right now. Yeah, y'all are talking that shit! Cause y'all don't want to believe in me!
I thought you guys were joking that he was doing good, but he actually was.
No, I was fucking snapping total on these motherfuckers!
No.
Ah!
Look at that.
Victory! Ah! Ah! Double with Bruce Banner! Ah! I'm going crazy out the way! Fuck you, bitch! Ah!
Bro. What are you thinking?
I was going crazy, I can't lie.
No.
Yeah!
Fall back.
Yeah! Yeah!
Actually, kind of, bro. We're bitches.
Right when they hop in, bitch, I'm right there. Oh, no fucking way! No fucking way! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh my god!
Don't.
Triple!
You get a line.
Yeah, bitch! Yeah, bitch!
Shit.
Give me that shit! Hulkman! 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 Oh! 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 Look at that, he's going for Thor! Thor! Bring that ass, Thor! That Moon Knight! Ah!
Nope.
Punisher!
Get him. Get him. Nice.
Where they at?
nice.
Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Up top! Up top!
To the side.
Hulk!
I'm
I'm dying! I'm dying! I'm dying!
fuck.
Hawkeye! Hawkeye!
Nice.
Iron Fist! Yeah! Oh! Chef!
You for my goddamn. I don't know what the
Oh! I was putting in work on the shark!
Dude.
Hulk!
Trying to figure out who else is here. No.
What do you want, Captain? Oh, wow! He killed the fuck out of us. Ah!
I don't know what's happening. I can't see any.
Come here! Fuck are you doing? Captain America, bring me that ass! Oh, whoa, I just fell off the map chasing that shark. Yeah! Well, I just fucking died!
Final fight.
I got my ult. I'm coming.
Hey, he saw me!
Coming in.
Oh! That was to the wire!
I know.
What the fuck is on this shit? Jake, what the fuck? Jake, I'm gonna lose my fucking game. Jake, what the fuck is that? What the fuck did he just feed me, bro? I'm gonna lose at the fucking Hulk now. Alright, Hulk smash. Jake just pissed my shit off. Let's go. Jake, what the fuck was that? Jake, never feed me some fucking bullshit like that ever again, bro. The fuck are you doing? You think this is a fucking game, bro?
Bro, what is
Hawkeye! Hawkeye! Fuck!
What did he make you eat?
Somebody fucking help me! God, what the fuck was that?
Bro, I'm crying.
He put coming? Fuck, it's coming, bro. I'm up!
No!
Oh my god! 3, 2, 1, go!
Villa.
I can't get healed. Dude, where the fuck is my fucking team? They're not fucking, you can fucking heal me, you stupid fucking moron. No. I'm hulking out. What'd you say? I'm diving. Oh my god. Squirrel girl. Ah, get fucked.